This is, so you have X, Y, Z, your coordinates, okay? You have here, if you want to do the axis zeroing, you know, to homing, this axis zeroing, you go here, and then global zeroing. It's the same like the other one, but the other one you have a different page. You have the button over here, you click, okay? But this, after when we get the power, we'll go through this over again, okay? I just wanted to show you quickly, yes. Now this machine has two separate sides. You have one side where you do all the running of the machine, jogging it, run the programs on one side of the machine. The other side of the machine, the task button, if I push, brings you to all the programs, all the machine data, all the, you know?
It's a toggle.
Toggle. So you can do all the programming on one side and all the programs you run on the other side. So for example, I can have a list of programs. I can start and they run. While the machine is running, I can go here and I can start writing new programs or while the machine's running, because it's two separate sides. Okay? So we'll go into the program side first.
Yeah, that is the main part that we need to learn.
Okay. So when from the manual page, you just, the task button, we call this. So you task over to the programming side, okay? These are the programs we have now. So now if we want to make a new program,
You enter a new name.
a new name. So over here, we type a new name. Type whatever you would like. ABC, enter. Enter is, sorry, over there. Now, you typed ABC. When you push enter, the machine looks and to see if it can find, search.
If not,
It didn't find it. It's saying, is it a new program or is it maybe one you have on a floppy?
So new.
New. Enter. And there. So now we put the same like the other one, the length, the width, and the thickness of the panel.
how do I enter? Like that?
Enter. Yeah. Or you can just enter to go down. You don't have to enter on this one. You arrow down, and just arrow down. You can do whichever. So there's our panel. The rest.
Only one, right?
Okay, yeah. So you can just
Standard.
leave that. That's defaults
Okay.
to the one. So now what we're going to do is drilling, right? So we go to the boring table. Okay, and there's our panel. There's side 1, side 2, side 3, 4, and then, corner, and
the
then
side,
L
1,
in
2,
the
3,
side.
4, yeah.
Same like before. That doesn't change. So now we decide, do we want to do vertical holes or horizontals?
Horizontal.
You want to do horizontal? Okay. So we have the horizontal. So we say, S, which corner are we going to reference from? You know, when we give the X, Y coordinate. So we're going to
S1.
1. Okay. And now from S1, I can use side 4, or I can use side 1. So which side am I going to use?
S.
No, the L.
S1. So it's from this corner.
From that corner.
And which side? L1.
Which-
L1.
The L1 you're going
I
to
go
drill?
there, and then 1,
Yes.
like that.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, and then again, what is X value?
X value, yeah. So what's the X value? If
So
you're
I'm
going to
going
go...
L1, and there's no X, there's only
It's
1.
0. So put 0.
I have to put 0? I can
It's better. It's better to put 0 because otherwise it's going to
Register
stay where it
something
was.
there. Okay.
So you want to... No, that's wrong. X 0.
How do I go back?
Okay, arrow back.
Oh, arrow back.
Go back one more.
So X
0.
is 0,
Okay, Y.
and then Y is, let's say, 100. 1, 0, 0.
Okay.
Enter.
Enter.
Enter or move forward?
You can do either or.
Z would be, let's say, 35.
No, that's not the depth.
7.
Z is the...
Oh, so 7.
Let's say 7.
That's it. Oh.
Yeah, you have to get used to the...
Z, right?
No, the Z you
I
got
have to go back, and then I put 7,
Okay,
and then
over.
move forward. Depth would be 35, let's say. 35, right?
Over, yeah.
I go over. Diameter.
No, diameter over here.
Diameter would be, let's say,
5.
5.
Type a tool. Because you have the... Type 1 is the brad point.
Uh-huh.
You normally, when you do
So
this,
type
is type 1.
Okay.
Type 2 is the V bit.
Okay.
And type 3 is the large diameter, like a
25.
hinge hole, yeah. And so type 1. Okay. This is for insertion. Your machine doesn't have an insertion. You know, like some machines have a hinge insertion
So
or
what-
double insertion. So no need to say.
No,
Skip
that's
it.
it. Skip
Just
it.
skip
T1 is a hinge insertion or a
Okay.
double insertion, and we skip it.
Yeah, your
Okay.
machine doesn't like that.
What is that R?
R is repeat. So if I draw this, I have one.
Oh.
But maybe I have to repeat
Two
maybe,
times.
Maybe three. Let's
Three
use
times,
it
yeah,
three
yeah,
times, and let's go.
X is 0. No, Y step.
Oh, the Y step. Yeah, you're right. Correct.
Y step will be
Thirds
32.
to two. Let's
Yeah.
just say.
Oh,
And,
Is
and
that
now
I still
draw.
have to say? No,
No,
that
no.
step, same step.
Step. You
Yeah.
can, but it'll change
Yeah.
the Z, and that
Oh.
gives me the 3. So
Okay.
that's what the repeat is.
Okay.
Fair enough.
But now we'll go back
Yeah, I'll repeat. Yeah.
and blanket. Go back. Blank. And we'll leave that. And draw. So we have the 1. So that's the 1 hole. So now what's the next hole we're going to do? Another horizontal? We'll do all the horizontal first.
One
and then-
vertical. Right now, vertical. It's okay.
Yeah,
Horizontal is clear.
Let's
You're
try the
clear?
vertical.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So,
Insert line?
so do a vertical. You have to select vertical.
Where?
Okay, go exit. You have to exit out of the
Exit is
horizontal.
this or this?
It's this one.
Okay.
Okay, and now select vertical.
So vertical is the first or this? This.
This one.
Vertical.
Yeah, so just picture.
Uh-huh.
So
This
these
is the-
buttons
yeah, yeah.
are there. They're a little bit.
Okay.
This button here, this one always brings you back and forth
Other
to
screen.
the side.
Toggle the
Okay, this
screen.
is always the same.
Screen toggle. Yeah.
This button is, see you have options here? Sometimes you have more options that they don't fit.
So you just
and you're
gotta-
gonna see a little arrow in that corner.
If there is,
if
then
there
you
is,
can go.
then you can click here and it'll open up the next one.
Fair
Okay?
enough. Got you.
So now it's the same thing, but now we don't have
S
the
is
L.
what line number?
S is the
Corner.
corner you're gonna
Oh.
reference.
So
S is
still
always
1.
the corner.
So let's say S is the 1
Yeah.
and X would be 50, right?
Yeah.
And then Y would be 100, right?
The
And
depth
then
is how deep you want
depth,
the
I
hole.
want the deep to be, let's
10.
say 10. Too much. 5 diameter again.
Correct.
And the T
It's type 1.
type 1, obviously.
Yeah.
Nothing.
And that's it.
The T1 is what?
There's
It's
nothing.
for insertion. You
Insertion,
don't use
no.
it. Yeah, that,
And
you don't-
repeat, let's say I'm repeating 5 times.
Okay.
On the X step would be 32,
That's it.
right?
Yeah.
And enter,
And enter again. Go to the
and
next
enter again.
one. Okay. Now we don't see it, but
No,
if you
don't
push
see it.
draw, this one every time you want
Yeah.
to see it, you have to push
Oh,
draw to refresh.
Okay.
Done. Now, how do we optimize this?
To optimize. Exit.
Exit. Okay.
Exit would be this.
Yeah. Good.
Okay.
And
And you
okay.
have save and optimize. So there it is. Oh, tool missing. You have
Horizontal missing area.
yeah a 5 diameter.
Okay, fair enough.
Okay.
Okay.
So
But if it was
which size?
I didn't put the 5 diameter.
What size did you put?
I put the 8 diameter.
What for vertical
7 diameter.
or for
8
horizontal?
diameter.
Or let's change it to 8. Let's say if I need to edit that program, how are we going to
Okay.
do it?
So if you edit, go back to your. Is it vertical holes or horizontal? that you
I
want
wanted horizontal.
Okay,
I want
so
it
go
just
horizontal.
horizontal.
and change your.
Change your value.
Put the 7 or 8.
7?
Yeah.
7.
Yeah.
And draw.
But this is horizontal.
Right.
He's editing the horizontal. Is it horizontal? There's an 8, 7 there.
Exit.
Okay.
Save and optimize.
No, I think 8. No. Horizontal, I put 5 and 9.5.
5. So why
Five
not
and nine.
So let's change the horizontal
No, but
hole.
maybe.
But,
Yeah, but where did he put it? See the head you have.
vertical,
Oh,
you
Maybe
put
he
the
put it
7.
this way 5. There you
Oh.
put 7.
Yeah, this is you put 5. This is horizontal.
Yeah.
No, which
but
5?
This
Which?
way.
This way or that way? We're doing this way.
Both.
Maybe you.
Yeah, this is I put a 9.5 and.
No, he put
5.
it the other way. I could
Oh,
see
okay.
that.
Yeah, yeah.
You put it here?
Yeah.
So it's this way.
Let's put-
Okay.
This way.
let's
So we're
put
gonna change the
9.5.
direction then.
So-
We put it on L4.
9.5.
1, 2, L3. L3.
Okay.
Right?
L3 S. You have to
3.
change.
S is still the. Oh.
No, because you want a
L3 would
reference
be,
for
4. S4.
Yeah.
That's 4. And the diameter is 5, you said, right?
Yeah.
5. Exit. Save and optimize. Why the fuck is it saying to? Oh, because it went this way. So something again. Horizontal. Why it's going. Okay, corner 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And
But
L should be
space is-
4. 1, 2, L should be 3.
You put
3.
9.5.
That's it.
Two,
3. Exit.
9.5.
to diameter
No, hold on 1 second. It worked. It should.
missing.
Missing.
Why?
You put the 9.5.
9.5 diameter. Horizontal hole.
Horizontal.
Diameter,
It should be 9.5?
9.5.
Ah. 9. Where's the point? Point 5, right? Exit, save and optimize. Why is it missing?
Is it vertical hole?
Oh, why? D means diameter?
Diameter.
Oh no, Carl, something is wrong here. See? D diameter. But I changed it.
X50. No, so it's the vertical.
Oh, these are the vertical. So it's missing. You didn't put vertical 5 millimeter?
Vertical, no.
No, nothing on vertical yet.
Okay,
That's
so
why.
change the vertical.
They are all horizontal.
Okay, so delete the vertical then. How do I delete the
Just go to
vertical?
vertical. And just change it to another.
7, 8,
No, they don't have vertical at all. He didn't put no vertical.
No, we in the software we didn't put anything physically, but we did put vertical tools. What size we put? 8?
This is
Vertical?
horizontal or
No, vertical.
vertical 9, no.
8. 8. Try it.
8?
8.
Okay, not.
Yeah,
There.
look like it ran. So okay. And do we need to put parking?
Normally no, because normally you go from one to the other.
So
You
once
lo-
after the
if you're only loading in one side of the machine, you need to put
Both
the
sides we
parking.
want to run.
If you're gonna run both sides, it's not used to put the parking because you load the one side, it starts running. You load the other side, it comes automatically.
so we do not have to do any parking at the end of the program.
No, the machine, but
Will
when it
automatic-
finishes, it'll stop.
It will
work
stop.
right there.
Oh.
But when you start the other program, the machine will go there, and then you walk in. Otherwise, if you put a parking, what's going to happen? It's going to finish, and then has to park. And then you push over there, it goes over there, and then it finished, it has to park. So
The machine
the only
automatically-
time you need a park to put a park is, excuse me, if you
Okay,
come over
bye.
here.